Hello, good morning everyone, and big welcome to my channel. Those who are visiting me for the first time, a big virtual hug to all of you, and also a grand welcome to my channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you are going to like the content of my channel. If you are liking, please subscribe to my channel and show me your love, your support. And also please share your positive feedback, and also please let me know in which way I can improve my vlogs. And those who are my regular subscriber, thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for giving me so much love and support. I am really thankful for that. So my friends, today's vlog, it's gonna be a super short vlog. It's a mini vlog and it's a mini haul vlog. So the thing is, Diwali is around the corner. So especially for Diwali, and also I wanted few household stuff. Last day with my mom, I drove to Rajarhat and I went to Home Center. Those who are living in Kolkata, they definitely know about Home Center. It's just beside Axis Mall in Rajarhat, New Town. And it's a very well organized grand store. You can have everything. It's a paradise for those who love to decorate their house, who love to, buy a lot of household stuff. So it's a paradise for them, definitely. So last day I went with my mom and I buy something from there. I got something. So in this haul, I'm going to show you what I got one by one. The first thing I got from Home Center is a beautiful bed cover. So this is that. This is a double bed sheet. And the color is that. Isn't it looking so vibrant, so festive actually? So because now it's a festive time, so I have seen lot of bed cover, bed sheet, cushion covers. They are all in bright colors. So I love bright colors. You can already see that in my Kolkata home also, I have decorated my house with some bright cushions and everything. So yeah, this is the bed cover that I got. This is so bright, so vibrant. I just like the color. And also it will look really good in my Denmark home. So because the walls are really on lighter shade there. Here in Kolkata you can see my walls are colorful, but there in Denmark, in Europe actually, naturally they don't paint their wall with a bright color. So it's a light color wall there. So I thought I can buy some, bright and vibrant bed cover. So yeah, this is it. And also this is a red. It's just a blood red. Beautiful color. And also I just want to tell you the price. This is 2499, 2499, but with discount I got it within 1499. Yes, 1499 around. So this was the price of that bed cover. And now these things one by one I'm going to take. So this is a potpourri. Instantly it gives you so much of positivity. Instantly it enhances your mood. So I just love having potpourri in my home. The fragrance is just awesome. And also I already have a bottle of essential oil in my home. So whenever I feel like I will put some oil over there. But for now it's just new, so it's okay now. So in the Diwali time I am going to decorate my home with all these things. And now here is a placemat. This is 20% cotton and 80% with straw. So with this bamboo straw, I just love to have my placemat like this. So look at this. This is great, right? It's also very vibrant and colorful and so much festive. So the price is 199. There was no discount on that. So this is 199. And I got just one because I already have this kind of, I'll show you whenever I'll do my room tour. I already have some cotton based placemat and I already have some other kind of placemat, but this kind of I didn't have in this period, so I thought I can buy one. So see, okay, and now look at this beautiful artificial flower. Isn't it looking so vibrant and great? I just thought, I didn't have any plan to buy this, but I just got one. So I already have this kind of flower. I just love flowers in my home. And I just got this. I find it very cute and beautiful, so I got that. And please my friends, communicate with me in the comment section. Please let me know what kind of home decor items you like most to decorate your house. And I am so addicted with my cushion covers. Oh my god, I just can't get enough of cushion covers. These cushions cover are also very new to me. And I got 2 sets. So the price of these cushion covers is $4.99, and there was also a discount. I got it in $2.99, 2 pieces in $2.99. So yeah, the cushion cover looks like that. And please let me know if you are liking the color. So in my bedroom, I'm trying to put this potpourri in a side table, and then I can decorate my cushions in this with this cushion cover. And also I got one more cushion cover, and this is my favorite color, red. And also this is super festive. See, it's looking great, right? And this is for my rectangular cushions. And here I got some candles. Okay, these cushion covers, they are also being, yeah, this was $5.99 and this was not in sale. I got this one in sale, but this was not in sale, but that's okay. It's actually really great. And also the color, especially for the color and the design, I liked it. And here is some candles I got. Look at these cute candles, and also really very festive. So there are 4 colors, not 4 colors actually, 2 colors. This is light yellow and this is red. And I already have a lot of those regular candles in my home, so I can put that candles inside this, you know, thing, and then I can decorate my house in the time of Diwali. So 4 candles, and the price is, okay, the price is $3.99. Yes, it's $3.99. So home center is just for, you know, all, not inexpensive, but not that much expensive also. It's just good, price is reasonable, and the decor items are like super fantastic. I really love it. And then this was also in my wish list. So I got this bamboo serving tray, and the price is $2.99. So I have a plan to make a lot of snacks item, healthy snacks item. And this is the last item. I'm going to uncover these things, these bubble wraps. So this thing actually was my favorite. Among all the things that I got, this was my instant favorite. So yeah, they have provided some stones also, you can see, and also some candles and this Buddha idol. So it's really great, and the price is yeah, this was on sale. The price is $12.99, and this was I got in $6.99. It was almost 50% sale, so I got it in $6.99. So whenever I saw the sale on this item, I just grabbed it without thinking a minute. It's my really favorite, and I wanted to have it for a long time. these things I cannot take it with me in Denmark. I don't know I can, because limit of weight is there, so it's not possible. But yeah, some other things probably I'm going to take along with me. But yeah, that was it, and it was a very simple, short and mini haul vlog. I hope you have enjoyed. So yeah, that was my mini haul, and among everything, this was my favorite item. And please let me know, my friends, in the comment section, what is your favorite thing among all these items that I got last day from Home Center. So if you are also a big fan like me of Home Center, please let me know in the comment section too. And so the thing is, today night we are going to have a little Diwali celebration at my home. So I hope you will enjoy that. My mom is going to cook something for me, and we are all going to have a little small celebration. Because you all know Bikram has already left for Denmark. He is now in Denmark. He already started his office. In Durga Puja time he was here. So in Durga Puja I posted lot of vlogs, daily vlogs. Please watch it, guys, those who have not yet. So you will definitely enjoy it. Kolkata Durga Puja is something like, really grand thing. But yeah, we celebrate all the festivals. Now Diwali is around the corner. We are going to celebrate Diwali too. But this year I will be very busy at the end of this weekend. You all know why I am going to be really busy. So yeah, I thought of, okay, let's celebrate Diwali little early this year. So that was my today's mini vlog. I hope you have enjoyed. And please let me know in the comment section what is your favorite item. And I will see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, brand new video. So until then, tata, bye bye. See you guys in my next vlog, in my next video. So tata.